We used a 1.5-liter water bottle and PVC pipe to teach the children about God's miraculous provision. Once you have found your 1.5-liter bottle, spray paint it so that it becomes completely opaque and the children can't see inside. Then take your PVC pipe and make sure it fits snugly into the bottle. If it fits snugly, then you can cut it so that it fits inside all the way until just above the bottom. Make sure that there's some space. Place the PVC pipe inside your bottle and glue it so that there's no air spaces. We find that hot glue works best. Once that is done, take a sharp object and cut a hole into the side. This is where you will control the trick from. Then, as you tell the children the story about God's provision, fill up the water bottle with some water. Keep going, but make sure to leave some airspace. Then, place your thumb over the hole and pour out the water. Once it looks like it's finished, keep going. Oh, it's all finished. Release your thumb and put it back on the hole and do it as many times as you'd like. So you release, close, and pour out again. Enjoy!